Good morning, students. We will discuss our topic healthcare in India, in which we were discussing yesterday private health. Private health facilities, like we had discussed yesterday, we discussed the public health and private. Today we are going to start as the name of private that owned by individual or particularly for the profit purpose and everywhere generally we get them. So, like a wide range of the private health facilities in our country, we find large number of doctors run their own private clinics. As you know that yesterday we discussed that the table in the table we discussed in the rural area we don't find hospitals, good hospitals, good medical facilities. In lack of particular that many cases you can say take place and generally people don't get proper treatment. But on other hand, if we see private there are a number means large number of private facilities, health facilities we have, and in rural areas one finds registered medical practitioners, that is RMPS. In urban areas have large number of doctors, many of them providing specialized service, and there are hospitals and nursing homes that are privately owned. There are many laboratories that do test and offer special facilities such as X-rays, ultrasound, etc. There are also shops from where we buy medicine. We are all talking about the private facilities in this paragraph. Means like private facilities में हमें ये सब चीज़ें आसानी से अपने आसपास मिल जाती है. As the name suggests, private health facilities are not owned by controlled by the government. मीन्स गवर्नमेंट पे इनका कोई एक्सेस नहीं होता, गवर्नमेंट से इनका कोई मतलब नहीं होता, प्राइवेट है. अनलाइक द पब्लिक हेल्थ सर्विसेज, इन प्राइवेट सर्विसेज पेशेंट्स हैव टू पे लॉट्स ऑफ मनी. रिमेंबर द स्टोरी ऑफ अमन एंड रंजन. इफ वी कंपेयर देन, रंजन जो है बहुत कम पैसा खर्चता है और अमन जो है ही स्पेंड्स लॉट्स ऑफ मनी ऑन हिज ट्रीटमेंट. So, in private facilities, patients have to pay lots of money for every service that they use. Today, the presence of private facilities can be seen all around. In fact, now there are large companies that run hospitals and some are engaged in manufacturing, selling medicine. Medical shops are found in every corner of the country. Here, one thing is very much important, which we knew that many large companies, like if we talk about Reliance, you see the hospital of Reliance are there. So there are many companies which are running their own hospital. Healthcare facilities or healthcare and equalities is adequate healthcare available to all. Means healthcare and equality. So when we are talking about the private, we cannot say about equality because the cost, the expenditure is different from private to public. So in India, we face a situation where private services are increasing, but public services are not. What is then available to the people are mainly private services. These are concentrated in urban areas. Which one? Private one. Private one are concentrated in urban areas. The cost of these services are rather high. If we see the comparison, the service is high. मतलब उनमें जो expenditure है वो भी high होता है. What is the available of people mainly? Sorry, medicines are expensive. Many people cannot afford them. Have borrow money when there is an illness in the family. Means a poor person cannot afford such kind of expenditure which we get in private one. On the other hand, when we go to the public one, so medical treatment free हो जाता है आपका, medicines free मिलती हैं, like all. Some private services encourage incorrect practice to earn more at the time inexpensive alternative, though available, may not be used. For example, some medical practitioners are found to prescribe superfluous medicines. सुपरफ्लुअस मेडिसिन का मतलब है अननेसेसरी, बहुत ज़्यादा दवाइयाँ लिख देते हैं, इंजेक्शंस लिख देते हैं. And another, we see that saline when injections or salines, and when simple medications में sufficient, मतलब जो काम हल्की फुल्की दवाइयों से भी चल सकता है. In place of that, the doctor of public private hospitals generally prescribes high kind of medicines which are very much expensive. In fact, barely 20% of the population can afford all the medicines that they require during an illness. ज़्यादातर क्या होते हैं, 20% ऑफ पॉपुलेशन ही इन चीज़ों को अफोर्ड कर पाती है जो कि प्रिस्क्राइब्ड डॉक्टर लिखते हैं. So illness hence even for those whom one might not think as being poor, medical expenses cause hardship. मतलब जब इतना खर्चा आ जाता है तो क्या होगा, condition will be worse. So it was reported in the study that 40% of people who are admitted to a hospital for some illness or injury have to borrow money or sell some of their possessions to pay the expenses. मतलब sometimes what happen for the poor people, generally they borrow the money and sometimes they sell their property to get the better treatment in, you can say, private hospitals. So sometimes they come under this hardship. For those who are poor, every illness of the family cause a great anxiety and distress. Means अगर कोई बीमार होता है तो सबसे पहले टेंशन का कारण हो जाता है. What is worse is that the situation tends to happen again and again. Means if it is happening again and again, the situation will be very, very, you can say, worse. So those who are poor in the first place, undernourished, and families are not eating much they should, and they are provided basic necessities like drinking water, adequate housing, clean surroundings, etc. And then therefore are more likely to fall ill. Expenses on illness make their situation even worse. Means such kind of condition take place again and again. If it is happening to a poor family, means the condition became much worse. मतलब condition पहले से भी बहुत खराब हो जाती है किसकी, a poor family की, because of more expenditure on the medicines. Sometimes it is not only lack of the money prevents people from getting proper medical treatment. Women, for example, are not taken to the doctor in prompt manner. Prompt manner मतलब in particular situation, जब उनको नीड होती है, ज़रूरत होती है किसकी, ट्रीटमेंट की. Women health concerns are considered to be less important than the health of men in the family. Many tribal areas have few health centers and they do not run properly. Even private health services are not available. If we see the condition of villages or remote region or tribal region, the forested region, we see the poor condition of the hospitals, and women sometimes, as you see in the pictures, they face lots of problem in their particular situation. So this was all about the healthcare and equality, or means the unnecessary or expenditure over the medicine generally it take to the people in their worse condition. So till here we discussed today. Thank you. Have a nice day.